In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your PayPal username. Whether you're setting up a payment link, filling in details on a website, or sharing your information with a client, knowing exactly what your PayPal username is can save you time and avoid mistakes. In this walkthrough, I'll show you two simple ways to find it, using your PayPal.me link, and by looking at your account email in your profile settings. First, go ahead and log into your PayPal account on your browser. Once you're on your main dashboard, look for the Quick Access area. This is usually near the top or along the side of the page and includes shortcuts to common features. In that area, find and click the option labeled PayPal.me. When you click that, a new page will open in a separate tab or window. This page shows your personal PayPal.me link, which is the link you can share so people can send money directly to you. Take a look at the full link in the address bar or on the page itself. It will look something like PayPal.me your username. Your PayPal username is the part that appears right after PayPal.me Tao. So if the link ends with a word or name, that's your username for PayPal.me, and that's often what people mean when they ask for your PayPal username to send you money via link. Now, let's look at another way to check your username information, this time through your account email. Go back to your PayPal dashboard. In the top right corner of the screen, find your profile icon. This might be your initials, a profile picture, or a generic user icon. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose Profile Settings. Inside your profile settings, you'll see several tabs or sections. Make sure you're on the Login and Security tab. This is where PayPal stores your main login details. Look for the section labeled Email. On the right side of that section, you'll see an Update button. Go ahead and click it. When you click Update, PayPal will show you the full email address or addresses linked to your account. The primary email address you see there is what you use to sign in, and it also works as a username for your account. People can send money to that email, and it's one of the key identifiers for your PayPal profile. So to recap, you can check your PayPal username by viewing your PayPal.me link and using the part after PayPal.me as your username, or by opening your profile settings, going to Login and Security, and looking at your primary email address under the email section.